How to keep away lizards. Lizards are a common pest in warm climates. While they don't cause any damage and don't usually infest, they can be unsightly and give many people the jitters. Even though they are generally harmless, their presence can make you feel uneasy and uncomfortable. In rare situations, these creatures can also carry salmonella, and may transmit this bacteria through their droppings and urine. The best way to get rid of lizards is to keep your home clean and clutter-free. A clean, tidy home offers fewer hiding spots and attracts fewer insects, which are lizards' main food source. Eliminating points of entry is also important, so seal any cracks or crevices with weather stripping, caulk, spray foam, or wire mesh. You can also try home remedies that could repel lizards, such as eggshells, mothballs, and peacock feathers. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to keeping your home clean and tidy, sealing points of entry, and repelling lizards with home remedies. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Keeping your home clean and tidy. Number 1. Get rid of newspapers, boxes, and other potential hiding places. Clutter provides lizards with hiding spots, so stick to a regular cleaning schedule. Nip messes in the bud, and throw away paper, magazines, boxes, and other debris before they pile up around the house. Clutter also provides hiding spots for insects and spiders, which are lizards' food sources. Number 2. Avoid keeping food out and clean up food scraps. Clean up crumbs, wipe down counters, and mop the floor after cooking or spilling food. Keep food in sealed containers, especially if you've noticed flies or other insects. Food attracts bugs, and eliminating food sources is essential to keeping away lizards. Number 3. Use insecticides and adhesive traps to get rid of insects. If you regularly see insects and spiders in your home, spray an indoor insecticide at points of entry, corners, crevices, and your home's other nooks and crannies. Place adhesive insect traps by doors and windows, behind furniture, and under kitchen cupboards, and replace them with fresh traps regularly. Read your product's instructions and use it as directed. Follow any recommended safety precautions, such as wearing protective gloves or a mask. If you have trouble controlling an insect infestation, call a professional exterminator. Number 4. Keep outdoor areas around your home mowed, trimmed, and tidy. Mow the grass regularly, and trim back tall plants along your home's exterior walls. Keep outdoor trash receptacles tightly closed, and avoid storing firewood, lumber, and other potential lizard habitats next to your home. Expert tip: our experts agree, lizards are attracted to homes for moisture, food, and habitat. To mitigate their populations, make sure there's no clutter or overgrowth, and remove any standing water or areas that are chronically wet around your home. Also, treat for the food sources of the lizards, which include insects, small arthropods, and slugs. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Sealing points of entry. Number 1. Avoid keeping doors and windows open. Close the door unless someone is entering or leaving the house. Even if you're bringing in groceries or other items, keep the door closed between trips to prevent any little green visitors from scurrying inside. Keep the windows closed as well, especially if you don't have screens or if screens have any tiers. Number 2. Install snug weather stripping and window screens. If there's any gaps between an exterior door and the floor or jamb, install adhesive weather stripping, which you can find at your local home improvement store. Replace torn screened windows, or keep your windows closed at all times if you don't have screens. If you don't have screened windows but want to keep a window open, you could purchase an adjustable, removable screen panel. Number 3. Seal cracks and crevices with caulk, spray foam, or wire mesh. Examine your home's exterior walls, roofline, windows, and utility connections. Fill in smaller cracks with waterproof caulk or spray foam. Cover any exposed vents or large gaps with wire mesh or hardware cloth. Look for mesh or hardware cloth labeled for rodent or bird deterrents online or at a home improvement store. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Repelling lizards with home remedies. Number 1. Keep your home cooler and darker. Lizards are cold-blooded, so they love bright, warm environments. Turning off the lights when you leave a room can make that area less hospitable. Additionally, try keeping the temperature in your home under 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius. Most house lizards, such as anoles and geckos, thrive in temperatures between 75 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 and 35 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Put containers of mothballs near doors and windows. While there's no scientific evidence to back it up, some people use mothballs to repel lizards. Try keeping bags or open containers of mothballs by doors, windows, and other points of entry. Number 3. Work peacock feathers into your decor. Again, while there's no scientific evidence, peacock feathers might help keep lizards out of your home. Lizards could be scared by the big eye designs or think that feathers indicate a nearby predator. Peacock feathers are aesthetically pleasing, too. Try placing a jar or bottle filled with feathers by your exterior doors. Number 4. Try placing eggshells near points of entry. Some people claim that lizards are afraid of eggshells. The sight and smell of eggshells could make a lizard think that a bird or other predator is nearby. Number 5. Consider getting a cat. Cats are great for deterring lizards, rodents, and other pests. However, keep in mind that cats like to play with their food and often give prey to their owners as presents. Getting rid of a live lizard might be less disgusting than dealing with one that your cat got to first. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Lizards are great for controlling insect populations, so if you find one outside, just leave it alone. If you see one in your home, place a pot or container over it, then carefully slide a sturdy piece of paper under the pot. Carry the pot and paper outside, then lift the paper and release the lizard. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce lizards' infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy, see you in the next video.